want you to meet our new letter. I want you to meet letter. Who knows what letter is this? Oh, very good, Caitlin. What letter is this again? W, Kylie. Very good. How about Theodore? What letter is this? Oh, okay. Later, he will participate later. How about Vivian? W. So cute. So, okay, this is Mommy W. And this is Baby W. Look, Mommy W is big. And Baby W is a small one. Okay? And I want you to try writing W using your pointer finger. Where's your pointer finger? Put it up like this. Very good. Good job, Vivian. Where's your pointer finger? How about Kylie? Where's your pointer finger? Where's your pointer finger? Look at teacher. Very good. Now I want you to use your pointer finger in writing letter W. Okay. I will press first W to Cedric. You will start from the top, going down, and then up again, and then going down, and then up. Can you do it, Cedric? Put your pointer finger here on top. Put it here on top, and then go down, up, down, and up. Hi, Sid. How about Caitlin? Can you try writing W with your pointer finger? Start here from the top. Start from the top. Go down, up, down, and up. Caitlin, come on. Use your pointer finger. Where's your pointer finger? Is it lost? Is it lost? Okay, put it here. Put it on top. Over here. Other side. Here, put it here. Come on. Come on. I can see right now. Okay. I will help you. Down, up, down, and then up. Okay. We will introduce W to Sid. Hi, Sid. Say hi to W. Hi, Sid. This is our letter for today. You want to try writing W? Okay, maybe later. Okay, now you can do it on your own. Okay, let me see. Wow. Good job, Caitlin. High five. Yeah. How about Kylie? Kylie's turn. Pointer finger. Where's your pointer finger? There. Put it here on top. On top. And then go down. And up. Down. And up. Good job. High five. Yeah. It's Vivian's turn. Down. Let's try it again. Go down and up. Down and up. Good job. High five. Yeah. It's your turn. W using our plate. Okay.